cast all your anxiety on him because he cares for you.
Me don't need bad friends in my life, no. Me don't need bad energy in my life, no. I'm focusing on you, only on you. I'm focusing on you, only on you, Jesus.
So what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So basically I started with this tea tree oil and I've been using this for 3 days, so I don't know if it really works or it will work for me because it tends to control all the icons. But after that, I'm using Elegant primer. It's for oily skin. It's the best primer, one of the best primer for oily skin. After applying that, I use Vaseline to moisturize my lips just because I feel like it was super dry. Then I take my powder for fall. You can use any sort of powder, maybe pressed powder or setting powder too, and this helps your face to not be like dewy because my face is super oily, so starting with a powder it controls. And then I'm doing my eyebrows. I'm using my MAC eyebrow pencil, and nothing really special about my eyebrows. It's just me trying to fill in my eyebrows like that, and then applying highlighter. And I'm using this Elegant Pro concealer in the shade Fawn to highlight on top and on bottom of my eyebrows. Then I blend out. Then I go in with this again, the same Elegant Pro concealer under my eyes to hide those dark circles. And I've seen these hacks, this beauty hack on TikTok. You have to apply your concealer before your foundation. So now after I blend everything in, I'm going in with Elegant Pro concealer to hide my acnes. As you can see, I have a lot of acnes on my face, and I'm using the shade Espresso to hide those, and it's like my skin tone shades. First I like to apply with my finger, then I go in with beauty blender. After that, I'm taking my Rolly True Match foundation. It's a full coverage foundation in the shade C9, and I like to go in with my fingers first, then use foundation brush to blend in the products. And I don't place the product directly to my eyes, so I just wait to the remain excess and then apply under my eyes. Then I'm finishing it with I'm blending in with beauty sponge. After my foundation, again I'm going in with Elegant Pro concealer in the shade Toffee, and now I'm applying this to highlight my face because I want my face to be like so I'm placing the beauty blender in to let the products get in, as you can see. So I'm blending and blending. The key is blending and blending and blending, and don't use too the concealer that is too lighter than your skin tone. Then I'm using this my Ange eyeshadow palette, and I believe in the shade Volcano. I don't really remember, so I just place in with my eyeshadow brush on the bridge of my noses. This is how I contour. I don't do too much. Then my favorite thing is to baking, and I'm using my favorite baking setting powder, Sasha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm plus in with beauty blender again, and I apply to everywhere that I have put concealer, so everywhere. I'm using the same palette and the same shade to apply on my eyes. I'm using this other eyeshadow, and of course I'm using MAC eyebrow pencil to put under my eyes, and I'm choosing my favorite lashes for the day. And today I was trying to go dramatic, so while I'm waiting for the glue to stick on my lashes, I just blend everything out, blend the setting powder because I don't bake too much, so I don't wait for so long. So the same palette, the same eyeshadow palette I use it to apply the brush on my cheek and to create that blush look, and I use the same eyeshadow shade that I used to apply on my eyes. Then my favorite and hardest part of my makeup routine is applying false lashes. I hate and like at the same time. So I'm using this reddish lip liner to apply on my lips, and on top of it I use this ADS lipstick, and then on top I use this lipstick I found from beauty store. Then to highlight my lips I use Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, I believe. So yeah, then finish up with fixing spray, you know, and that's pretty much it. This is my everyday makeup routine. Thank you all. Subscribe, hit the notification bell.